In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get out of outline mode in Adobe Illustrator. If you've ever opened your file and suddenly everything looks like wireframes with no colors, no fills, and no images showing properly, don't worry, you haven't broken anything. You've simply switched into outline mode. This is actually a very useful feature, but if you turned it on by accident, it can definitely be confusing. In this tutorial, I'll show you 2 quick and easy ways to switch back to normal preview mode so you can see your artwork exactly the way it's supposed to look. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple and practical Adobe Illustrator tutorials. Let's jump right in. The first method is using the top menu inside Illustrator. This works on both Windows and Mac, and it's the most straightforward way to fix the issue if you're unsure what happened. At the top of your screen, click on the View menu. Once the drop-down opens, look for an option that says GPU Preview or Preview on CPU. If you are currently in outline mode, you'll see that Outline is checked. To return to normal view, simply click on GPU Preview or Preview on CPU, depending on your system and settings. As soon as you click it, your artwork will instantly switch back to full color, with all fills, strokes, gradients, and images visible again. That's it, you're back in normal preview mode. Now, just to clarify, GPU Preview uses your computer's graphics processor to render artwork more smoothly, while Preview on CPU uses your main processor. Either option will take you out of outline mode, so you can choose whichever works best on your system. Now, let's look at the faster method, which is using the keyboard shortcut. This is especially helpful if you accidentally switched modes and want to toggle back instantly. On Windows, the shortcut to toggle between outline mode and preview mode is Ctrl+Y. Simply hold down the Control key and press Y once. That's it. Illustrator will immediately switch back to normal preview. If you press Ctrl and Y again, you'll go back into outline mode. So this shortcut actually toggles between the two views. If you ever see your artwork turn into outlines again, you now know that you probably pressed Ctrl and Y by accident. Just press it one more time to switch back. This shortcut is one of those small things that can save you a lot of frustration, especially when working quickly on complex designs. Outline mode itself isn't a bad thing. In fact, many designers use it intentionally to select hidden paths, align anchor points, or see the structure of complicated vector artwork with fills getting in the way. But if you're designing logos, illustrations, social media graphics, or print layouts, you'll usually want to be in GPU Preview or Preview on CPU, so you can see your actual design. So to quickly recap, go to View, then click GPU Preview or Preview on CPU to exit outline mode. Or on Windows, simply press Ctrl+Y to toggle back to normal view instantly. Quick, simple, and problem solved. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Adobe Illustrator tips and fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.